and this is my WDD231 final project, healthy food that is still tasty. So, over here we can find my homepage. In the header, we see the main heading. Below that, we have our navigation links to the home, recipes, and about pages. Under that, we have my secondary heading with a little bit of text under that. Now we are at the featured recipes section. These recipes have been dynamically loaded from the JSON file. When I press the Explore Recipes button, it takes us to the recipes page, which contains all 15 recipes that have also been dynamically loaded from my recipes.json file. Each of these recipes in that file contain instructions and ingredients about each specific recipe. On the web page, as we can see, each recipe has its own image, the title, a description, and an Add to Favorites button. I get the JSON data asynchronously using fetched wrap in a try and catch block. This ensures that if the file fades to load, the page shows a friendly error message instead of breaking. Over here, we can see on line 86. If we go to the top, we will find my import statement. I've used the ES modules to separate functionality. The favorites.js module manages local storage for favorite recipes. This keeps my code modular and easy to maintain. Clicking Add to Favorites saves the recipe's ID to local storage. Clicking it again removes it. Local storage preserves the favorite recipes even when the page is refreshed. So let's refresh the page. And it's still there. Okay. Clicking on a recipe opens the modal dialog with detailed ingredients and instructions. This demonstrates DOM manipulation. The modal can be closed with an X button, updating the accessibility state. On small screens, the navigation links collapse under a hamburger icon. Clicking it toggles the menu visibility. On larger screens, the links display horizontally using CSS Flexbox. In summary, I demonstrated dynamic recipe loading, asynchronous fetch, ES modules, local storage for favorites, modal dialogues, and a responsive hamburger menu. Thank you for watching my WDD231 project demo.